Welcome to Study Loop.
We're told that Bridget is getting ready to open a small restaurant and she's on a tight budget, so she must choose between the following long distance phone plans. The plan A is that plan A is that she pays 10 cents per minute of long distance calling. 10 cents outgoing per minute of long distance calling. The plan B is that she pays a fixed monthly fee of $15. So this is fixed, right? For up to 240 long distance, for 240 long distance minutes, and 8 cents per minute thereafter. Right. If she uses fewer than 240 minutes in any month, she'll pay 15 for the month. So she's gonna pay 15 for every month for 240 minutes. If she uses more than that, she should pay 8 cents per minute after. And the plan C is that she's gonna pay a fixed monthly fee of $22 for up to 510 long distance minutes and 5 cents per minute after. So now first question wants us to draw a graph of the total monthly cost of the three plans for different levels of monthly long distance calling. So for the first question, let x be the number of minutes required between plan A and B. So we can, since plan A and plan B have equal cost, right? We can say that 0.10, which is the cents, x equals to $15. Then we can say that x is equal to 15 divided by 0.10, and then x is equals to 150 minutes. So this is the minutes, right? So we're going to let y be the number of minutes required between plan B and C. Between plan B and C. Now, since plan B and C have equal cost, we can say that $15 plus 8 cents, open bracket, y minus 240 is equal to 22. And then 0.88 cents, y minus 240 is equal to 22 minus $15. And then y minus 240 is equals to 7 divided by 0.08. And then y is equal to 87.50 plus 240. So y is equal to 327.50 minutes, right? So based on the calculation we have done, we can prepare the table that shows the number of minutes per month for all the plans. And the table should look like this, with the minutes per month. I'm going to do MP. So this is the minutes. And then we have plan A. We have, and it's in dollars per month. We have plan B and we have plan C. So for 0 minutes, for A we're gonna have dash dollars. For B, it's going to be $15, and for C, is $22. For 50 minutes, they'll have $5. Here we'll have $15. Here we'll have $22. Because remember what the requirement said, that we can make calls um for up to 240 minutes monthly for 15 for B, and for C 5-10 minutes for 22 monthly. So that's how we're getting that. And A, B, and C is in dollars. This is in minutes. So for 100 minutes, we're gonna have $10 for A, 15 for B, and still 15 and still 22 for C. So for 150 minutes, we're gonna have 15 here, 15 here, and 22 here. Still 22. Now for 200 minutes, we're gonna have 20 here, 15 here, and still 22 here. Now for 240 minutes, because that's why there's a change. For 240 minutes, we're gonna have 24 here, 15 here, and 22 here. Now for 300 minutes, we're gonna have 30, 19.80, and we're gonna have 22 here. For 327.5 minutes, we're gonna have 32.75. We're gonna have 22, and we're gonna have 22 here. Now for 315 minutes, we're gonna have 35. We're gonna have 23.80. We're gonna have 22. For 400 minutes, we're gonna have 40. We're gonna have 27.80. We're gonna have 22. For 450, we're gonna have 45, 31.80, and 22. And for 510, we're gonna have 51, 30.60, and 22. Now for 540, it's just gonna keep being the same requirement according to the question like according to what the question gives us. So this is what the table should look like. And then based on the figure, we can prepare a graph that shows the number of long distance minutes and the total cost. And that should look like this. So the total cost to be right here, and the number of minutes to be right here. And then we're gonna have here from 0 to 60. And here from 100 to 600. And it's basically the plan A is basically going to be a straight graph. I might not draw exactly, but if you follow what the table shows you, it's going to be a straight graph, and this is plan A. Plan B is going to go from here, then stops all of a while from being straight, and then it curves all the way here. Yeah, to that point. And this is B. And then C is straight all the way from 20 all the way down to like right here. And then and this is C. So this is what the graph should look like basically. And from the graph, that's it. Now the second question, which plan should Ashton choose, which is Bridget? What plan should she choose if she expects to make 100 minutes of long distance calls 2 40 minutes and 5 40 minutes. So we want to find what plan she will use if she needs to make 100 minutes, 2 40 minutes and 5 40 minutes. So in each region, a plan chooses A chooses a plan that will have the lowest cost. If we go back to the graph, we can tell that plan A she should buy plan A for 0 to 150 minutes, because if you can look back, you can see that it gets better, and she should buy plan B for 150 from 150 to 327 minutes. Then she should buy plan C for more than 327.5 minutes. So if A plans to make 100 minutes of long distance calls each month, then she should choose plan A. So if she wants to make 100 minutes, she should choose plan A. Then if she wants to make 2 40 minutes, then she should choose plan B. And if she wants to make 5 40 minutes, she should choose plan C, because that's just the best, that will give her the lowest cost. And